Model, 1987 Fiat Talbot Express 1800 2.0 petrol long wheelbase, HIROOF camper motorhome body, white, camper mileage, 98,130 engine, 1,971 cc transmission, 5-speed manual, mechanical summary, starts perfect runs perfect. Alternator needs replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Full coach-built 2-berth campervan with full kitchen including hob gas cooker, 2-way fridge, full heating system, electric hookup and leisure battery features, full service history, 2 keys HPI, ULEZ compliant. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.